Luxor, often referred to as the world's greatest open-air museum, is home to an incredible concentration of ancient Egyptian monuments and archaeological sites. The city is located on the east bank of the Nile River in southern Egypt and was known as Thebes in ancient times. Luxor is famous for its temples, including the Karnak Temple Complex, which is one of the largest religious buildings in the world. The Karnak Temple is dedicated to the Theban triad of Ammonius, Mut, and Khonsu, and features a vast array of chapels, pylons, and obelisks. The Temple of Luxor, located in the heart of the city, was built during the reign of Amenhotep III and later expanded by Ramses II. The annual Opet Festival, which celebrated the rejuvenation of the king and the flooding of the Nile, took place between Karnak and Luxor temples, showcasing the importance of this route. The Valley of the Kings, located nearby, is the burial site of many pharaohs, including the famous Tutankhamun, with over 60 tombs discovered to date. The Valley of the Queens is also nearby, where the wives of pharaohs were buried, including the tomb of Nefertari, which is renowned for its stunning wall paintings. Luxor is home to the Colossi of Memnon, two massive stone statues of Pharaoh Amenhotep III that stand at the entrance to his mortuary temple. The ancient city of Thebes was once the capital of Egypt during the New Kingdom and was a center of culture, politics, and religion. The city has a population of approximately 500,000 people, with a significant portion engaged in tourism due to its rich historical significance. Luxor experiences a hot desert climate, with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius in the summer months. The Luxor Temple is uniquely illuminated at night, making it a stunning sight against the dark sky and a popular spot for evening visits. The temple complex at Karnak includes the sacred lake, which was used for purification rituals and is surrounded by lush gardens. Archaeologists believe that much of Luxor's vast wealth of antiquities is still buried beneath the modern city, awaiting discovery. The city hosts the annual Luxor African Film Festival, which showcases films from across the African continent and promotes cultural exchange. Luxor is also known for the Luxor Museum, which houses a collection of artifacts from the Theban region, including statues and mummies. The Temple of Karnak features the Great Hypostyle Hall, which contains 134 massive columns, some reaching heights of 23 meters, 75 feet. The Ramesseum, Ramses II's mortuary temple, is located in Luxor and features a fallen statue of the pharaoh that once stood over 17 meters tall, 56 feet. The city is a popular hot air ballooning destination, offering breathtaking views of the Nile Valley and ancient monuments. The tomb of Tutankhamun, discovered in 1922 by Howard Carter, is one of the most significant archaeological finds in history and is located in the Valley of the Kings. Luxor is a key transportation hub, with a major railway station connecting it to Cairo and other cities, as well as an airport that serves both domestic and international flights. The ancient Egyptians used the Nile for transportation and trade, and the river continues to be vital for the local economy today. The city has a bustling market scene, where visitors can find traditional crafts, spices, and souvenirs, providing a glimpse into everyday Egyptian life. Luxor's local cuisine features dishes such as koshari, falafel, and various grilled meats, offering a taste of authentic Egyptian flavors. The city is surrounded by fertile agricultural land thanks to the Nile, which supports the cultivation of crops such as sugarcane and dates. Luxor has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979, acknowledging its rich historical and cultural significance. The mortuary temple of Hatshepsut, one of the few female pharaohs, is located near Luxor and is celebrated for its unique architectural style. The Sound and Light Show at Karnak Temple is a popular attraction, narrating the history of ancient Thebes through an impressive multimedia experience. The local population has a rich cultural heritage, with many traditions and crafts passed down through generations, including weaving and pottery. The Luxor International Airport serves as a gateway for tourists visiting the ancient sites and is one of the busiest airports in Egypt. The city of Luxor serves as a base for many Nile River cruises, allowing visitors to explore ancient sites along the river. The Temple of Karnak features the Avenue of Sphinxes, a ceremonial path lined with sphinx statues that once connected Karnak and Luxor temples. The ancient Egyptians believed in the afterlife, and this belief greatly influenced the construction of elaborate tombs and burial rituals in Luxor. The Temple of Karnak is still used for religious purposes, with some local festivals and ceremonies taking place in its sacred spaces. The architecture of Luxor's temples showcases the grandeur of ancient Egyptian civilization, with intricate carvings and hieroglyphics adorning walls and columns. The city has been a site of continuous habitation for over 5,000 years, making it one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Many of Luxor's ancient sites are easily accessible by foot or bicycle, allowing visitors to explore the city at a leisurely pace. The discovery of the royal cache, a hidden tomb containing the mummies of several pharaohs, took place in the nearby Deir el-Bahari area. The Luxor temple was originally built to celebrate the rejuvenation of the pharaoh and to honor the god Ammonius. The city has a vibrant nightlife, with numerous cafes and restaurants along the Nile offering scenic views and live music. The annual Luxor Festival of Music and Dance attracts artists from around the world, celebrating cultural diversity through performances. The city is often featured in documentaries and films due to its historical significance and stunning landscapes.